Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Students, we already started 4.1 practice set, and in that we have covered first question of that practice set. So if you are not haven't watched that video, so please watch our video also, first video. This is the second video of this new chapter. So we are going to cover today second and third question in this video. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and share your comment also. Okay, so let's start the second question. What we are doing, this is the part 1 of the construction. Whenever the base and the adjacent angle are given and the sum of the length of the remaining side is given, see here sum of the remaining side is given. So we have to solve these questions, and in the next practice set that the difference between the remaining sides. So here the plus, the sum, and here the difference. So let's start our second question. So I have written this question also. What the question says that construct triangle XYZ in which YZ is equal to 6 centimeter, XY plus XZ is 9 centimeter, and angle XYZ is 15 centimeter. Okay, it's very similar to our previous questions. So what we have to do is, first of all, we need to draw the rough figure. Okay, so in the solution, we'll draw the rough figure first. See here, YZ is the base is given here. So we need to draw first YZ. It's a see here, it's a rough figure. So this is YZ. Okay, so YZ is 6 centimeter, and and suppose this is, we have to draw one more line here. So this is XYZ. This is perpendicular, and this is also perpendicular. We can give this name anything. XYZ, we can give the name W here. Okay, and this total length is Y and W is here given 9 centimeter. Okay, so this is 9 centimeter, and also the angle Y. See here, angle Y here. So angle Y is 50 degree. Okay, so this is our rough figure. So we need to draw the fair figure. So step of construction is not required in the examination, so be careful when we are drawing, and please remember the step also. Okay, so our first step is take a base of 6 centimeter YZ. So we need to draw YZ of 6 centimeter exactly at the center of the page. Okay, so I am taking 6 centimeter of YZ. So this is exactly 6 centimeter YZ. So this is our first step, YZ 6 centimeter. Okay, after that we need to take an angle Y of 50 degree. So we need to use the protractor, and protractor, the center we need to put exactly at the corner of the point Y here. Okay, so we need to take angle 50. So see here, angle 50 is there. So we need to mark here angle 50. Okay, and we need to join this point Y and a straight line. Okay, we need to draw a straight line from that point. Okay, so this is angle 50 degree. Now what is the third step? We need to take a 9 centimeter of Y and W. Okay, 9 centimeter. See here, XY plus XZ is equal to 9 centimeter. So what we have to do is, we need to take the scale, okay, and measure a 9 centimeter from the compass. So this is the compass. You can call it as prakar also. So this is exactly 9 centimeter I have taken. So we need to put on the Y and make an arc of 9 centimeter. Okay, so 9 centimeter we need to write down. This point we have taken in the rough figure is W. So we need to write W, and this is exactly a total of 9 centimeter. Okay, so this is an arc of 9 centimeters, little bit not visible. Okay, after that what we have to do is, we need to join W and Z here. Okay, so we need to join here W and Z, join W and Z. Okay, now after that what we have to do is, W and Z we need to draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, in the previous question, how we can draw the perpendicular bisector? By taking in more than half. Okay, so this is W I am putting as a point W. So suppose this is more than half, so we need to draw an arc here, okay, and here also, and we need to put on the Z now, and we need to intersect that arc. Okay, so we need to intersect that arc. Okay, now what we have to do is, after intersecting both the arc, we got here the intersection point now. Okay, now we need to draw the straight line joining both the point here now. Okay, so this is our perpendicular bisector. We can give any name. Suppose this is L. So this is our intersection point of the side. So we need to join this to Z now. Okay, and we have to draw XYZ triangle. So this is, we need to give X. So this is X, Y and Z. This side and this sides are half, that is making a right angle triangle, and this is also our equal side. Okay, so this is our second questions of the practice set 4.1. I hope you understood this question also. Okay, now let's go to the third question now. Third question is also very similar and simple question. What we have to do is same. We need to draw first of all rough figure. So we need to draw a construct triangle ABC in which BC is 6.2. So base is, we have 6.2. Okay, base is BC 6.2 centimeter. Okay, so this is the rough figure, and after that we need to draw one triangle here. Okay, give any name. So BC, ABC are there, so we give this name D. Okay, and we need to draw a line here. So this is our triangle A, B and C. Okay, and here angle ACB is 50 degree. So what we do is, we'll do BC instead of CB now. Okay, because angle C is 50 degrees, so we need to take here angle C 50 degree. Okay, so this is the perpendicular side, and this is AB plus AC is 9.8 centimeter. So this total length from C to D is 9.8 centimeter. Okay, so this is our rough figure. Okay, instead of B we need to give CB, because angle C is in the center, so we need to take angle 50 degree of that. Okay, so let's draw the main figure now. What is the first step? We need to draw a line of CB 6.2 centimeter. Okay, so we need to take CB 6.2 centimeter exactly at the center of the page now. Okay, this is 6.2 centimeter. So we need to give C and B here. This is 6.2 centimeter. Okay, after that we need to take an angle of 50 degree. So we need to take the compass. Okay, and exactly we need to put at the point C, at the corner of the point C, and straight line we need to see here. Okay, so angle is 50 degrees, so here 50 degree, so we need to give the marking here, and after that we need to take this scale and join this point and point C. Okay, exactly straight line. So this is our angle 50 degree. We'll go step by step and we'll give the name also. Okay, then after that AB plus AC is 9.8. So we need to make a measure from the compass 9.8. Okay, suppose this is 9.8. See, this is exactly 9.8. 9.8. So we just give the arc here. Okay, so this is 9.8. See if it is visible here, 9.8, and this is D. Okay, now this point we need to join it to the point B here. Okay, we have joined it. So this is our 9.8. If you see, this is 9.8. 8 centimeter. Okay, after that this we have given D, so we need to take D and B perpendicular bisector by taking more than half. So again we need to take the compass or prakar and we need to take more than half. Okay, so I have taken this point first, D. Suppose this is more than half, so we need to give the arc here and here also. Similarly, on putting on the point B now, we need to intersect that arc. Okay, a little bit we need to extend this arc in order to take the exact intersection point. Now see here, both the intersection point we got it. Now we need to join it from the scale. So we need to join this intersection point. Okay, so I have joined the intersection point. Then after that, this point we need to again join to the B. Once we join it, we got our triangle which we need to construct, triangle ABC. So we need to give the name here A. So this is ABC. Our triangle name is there. Okay, so you can give this line L also. This is 90 degree and this is also perpendicular bisector, and this side is also equal. Okay, so in this way we need to draw this questions. Very simple, very similar one. Okay, sum of the remaining sides is given. Now in the next part, difference of the remaining side instead of plus sign. Okay, here, so we got the next question on the all the minus sign questions. Okay, so only 3 questions are there in the 4.2 practice set. We'll take in the next video. So how you like the video, please comment and share your views also. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself.